I'll show you how to update your email profile photo. So this is what people see when you send them an email. This will work for any email address, even if it's not a Gmail address. Open up Google account by clicking the first link in the description. This is free. Simply select the create an account button in the upper right corner. Then just add your first name and your last name here. Next, make sure you meet the age requirements by adding your birthday. You have to be at least 13 years old to create a Google account. Now here's the important part. You want to select the use your email address option here. Don't create another email address. Any email address you have will work in this slot here. Next, you're going to have to verify your email address. Google's going to send you a 6-digit code to your email. Just add that in right here. Then simply just create a password and press next. The last step to creating your account is choosing how much of your data do you actually want to be shared. I always opt in for sharing the least amount of personal data as possible. So let's go ahead and select a couple options here and select next. Great, now you have a Google account that you can upload an image to that people will see when you email them. So to do this, go ahead and click your profile here, and then you can upload any image from your computer. Let's go ahead and put this one here and make sure it's centered. And one very important step is you want to make sure that this image is visible to anyone. You can do this by making sure this is selected right here. Now in about 2 hours, people will receive your profile photo in their Gmail for any email you send them. Finally, finish up with 3 simple steps. 1, like this video if you enjoyed it. 2, check out these 2 videos on how to make a digital business card. They're our most popular videos on the channel. And 3, subscribe to keep up with videos every Monday on AI, business, and tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.